Ma'am, congratulations, you won the special mention award for Irudi.
Thank you. I don't know what's happening because right now my phone is acting a little weird and I don't know what's happening, so I need to speak to the director first. So what is this? Is it like an award or something?
Of course,
what is this?
you've got the national award, special mention award you've got. Congrats, congratulations.
I'm screaming over the phone like, how do you think I feel? I don't know what this is. I mean, I'm so surprised. Like, you're the first person to actually tell me what has actually happened because my phone is not working properly. So actually, I've got calls. Okay, I answered the calls before you, but then I could not hear anything, and my phone was on some auto update or something. And I don't know. I mean, did I really get a national award?
Yeah, I mean, they've announced right now, and it's all over the place.
Oh!
It's a special mention award.
Oh God! So that is like an actual award. I'm just really happy. I'm very happy. Just tell them that just tell everybody that I'm really happy.
Okay. And I would like to, I add that you'd like to thank everybody, the crew.
I want to thank everybody in this entire world.
Okay.
I would like to thank God for giving me this life.
Okay.
And for all that's happened, to Sudha ma'am, to Sashi sir, to Madhavan sir, to Rajkumar Hirani, to everybody who is a part of this film,
Okay.
to the media, to the supporters, to my fans, to everybody, to my parents.
Yeah.
Oh God.
So that's wonderful, Ritika. I'm so happy for you because, you deserve it. You really deserve it. It's such a wonderful performance. Okay.
Thank you.
வணக்கங்க. துள்ளி குதித்து ஓடிட்டு இருந்தே அபிஷேக் எட்டாச்சு உடக்கு அப்படின்னு கேட்குறீங்களா? நம்ம நாகார்ஜுனா சாரோட கேரக்டரை உள்வாங்கலான்ற ஒரு சின்ன முயற்சி. இன்றைக்கி வந்து தோழா படத்தோட மூவி ரிவ்யூ பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. டே கார்த்தி இங்கே வாயேன், மூக்க லைட்டாக சூரி. ஸோ 120 ரூபாவில் யூரோப் டூர் போகலாம் நீங்கள் இந்த படம் பார்த்ததுக்கப்புறம். ஸோ இந்த படத்தில் ஒரு முக்கியமான கார் சேஸ் இருக்குது. என்ன நம்ம அரை மணி நேரம் வீடியோ கேம் விளாடுவோமே படிக்காமல், அந்த மாதிரி ரொம்ப பெருசாக எடுத்துட்டாங்க. கொஞ்சம் குட்டியாக எடுத்துருந்துருக்கலாம்.